will be able to take any decision, any implementation on any work, doing work on our own. And alas, I find lacking their anxiety solution. These are also. We all don't apply on the self-decision or self-taking, self-solution. We just keep on blaming. The blame game is going on, and every day. I'm not Subhash Bose. I want to imitate him. I can't equal him. I can't iterate his slogan, give me blood and I'll give you freedom. But just today, in the morning, when my children asked me, ma'am, it's too hot. We are going to burn. I told them, you burn for 2 minutes, I burn myself for 2 hours. And as you all have been looking at me, you may see my sweat. So, I believe in implementation, I believe in doing, taking decision and resolving. And this is the foremost need of our country at this time. Because all are getting mingling, means doing a kind of cynism in themselves. Our institution is a government institution. Government institutions condition is very pathetic in this state, not only this state, I may say in this country. Why so? Government is implementing, government is hoping from us many more. Our actions, our what may we say, solutions, more and more. And that's why they are implementing, they are putting in front of us many of the plannings in respect of Inspire Award or Mashal or Samriddhi or all sections of academic culture. Because they are expecting more from us. So why do we not implementing on that one? If we have come here for that purpose, to bless our students with all kinds of cumulative, all kinds of what may we say, merits, qualities, and characteristics. Why are we not implementing to that? We always be saying this is not a private institution. Does private institutions deserve better? No. We are democratic and we are independent. Then our government institution deserves the best. And it demands best from us because we are here for their benefit only. Not for our own selfishness, not concentrating on our own problems or own indulgence. We are here to burn ourselves for the students. For our students, whatever we can do. But this is very pathetic, this is very tragic, that we keep telling every time, democracy. But we want by heart only our democracy to be respected, but not respect democracy of others also. That is not a scholastic base. If you are a scholar, you are a laureate, you are a well-mannered person, you should respect democracy of others first. Because it has been told that your freedom ends where my nose starts. And if you are blaming and you are telling and you are doing anything, taking aside everyone, that means it gets hurt. Everyone gets hurt who is in front of you or in surrounding of you. And if you are not taking care of that, that is pathetic. That should not be. That was not expected. It was unexpected. Your scholastic point is not that. But it has been told by the intellectuals that we tend to be more friendly in heart, but not in our loneliness. If we become more friendliness in our loneliness, when we are alone, solitude, then it is our true humanity to be called, and it will not be pathetic, it will not be harming, or not be be any kind of ridiculousness in that. So always try to be in that aspect a good human being, a good scholar, a good laureate, and first of all, respect the democracy of others, then demand for yourself. It has been the very old logic of our country, of our mythological conditions, every day. That Hichi gave his bones. Why? Not because of himself, because of the benefit of many. And we keep ourselves in the self because, oh, I'll get burned because it is too hot. That's not right. We should always think strengthening of our freedom. Our freedom will get strength only when we will be doing, when we will be acting, and when we will be showing the result, keeping the government institute at the topmost as per the expectation of government. We will be indulging themselves, we will be getting involved in ourselves in all those programs that government has given us to implement to the students. And I try to, and I shall be trying to, in my future also, to be indulged with that one only and get love, affection, care of the students as I am getting till date. Thank you. That's all with my words.